We want to create a button that automatically adds a column with the date as the header. We can do this ourselves, right? We can just go over to the right side, control, right click, whatever we want to do, insert column to the right. We can even copy and paste this formatting or just write 3.8 here. But what if we could do this with a single click of a button? Let's do that. What we're going to do is insert a drawing first, a shape like this. Call it add column. We can change the color if we want, maybe yellow. And we're going to click it and bring it all the way over to the left side and just have this right over here. Then we're going to go to extensions app script. Once this opens, it looks like function my function. We'll call this add column with date. We spreadsheet app.get active sheet, insert column after. And now we need to know how many columns we have and then +1. But how do we get columns? We do variable columns equals spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet or get last column. And now we want to insert the date. That'll be spreadsheet app.get active sheet.get range. The range is an in columns +1 again. Set value new date with capital D and parentheses after the date and also close parentheses around set value. We're going to save this. We can run this from here to see if we have any errors. Probably don't want to do +1 here. We just want to insert after that last column. Save it, run it again, and we have our date is inserted here. So how do we get it to this button? Make sure we copy the function name, add column with date. Click on this image, and over on the top right, there's 3 dots. Click those, assign script, and paste just the name of the function. Click OK. And now, every time I click that, we're going to insert a new column and add that date right there. Makes your sheet so much easier to work with, right? Each and every day. If you're looking for more automations like this and you want to get more out of your Google Sheets, subscribe right now to Better Sheets right here on YouTube.